terms of the rep schemes, the way that I like to do this is, let's say that you're doing your dynamic effort work is going to be a press variation. So then your max effort, we're going to do back squats and sumo deadlifts. And again, this would all be systemized and programmed on cycles and stuff, but this is if you're putting together an individual session. The way that I like to do this, your dynamic effort, your press, would be 10 by 2. Every 30 seconds for 5 minutes, you will do 2 reps at 60 to 65%. That's where your dynamic effort comes in. For your max effort, here's how I like to program it, and you'll cycle through this. 5 sets all the time, 5 by 5 back squats. Next time you do back squats, it'll be 5 by 4, then you can test. That's when you can go for a new 1 rep max. Then you go 5 by 2, 5 by 1, and then you test again. At the same time, your sumo deadlifts are going to go 5 by 2, 5 by 1, test, 5 by 5, 5 by 4, test. So you can see they're sort of here, the 4 and the 4 match up, they match up, and the tests are happening at the same time. Because if you do 5 by 5 back squats and then sumo deadlifts, it's a lot of work, you're doing a lot of volume, you're probably not going to be able to keep the intensity high. And again, because we're looking for efficiency with this, what I would do is on 0 minutes, do your 5 back squats. On 2 minutes, do your 2 sumo deadlifts. On 4 back squats, 5 by 5 and 5 by 2. 0 minutes, you do those on 2, on 4, on 6, on 8 until you've done your 5 rounds. It means you're getting 3.5 minute break between the same movement, so there is that recovery time that you need, so you get that break. But it also means that because we tend to have higher work capacity than someone who's training this purely as powerlifting, we can back up and still produce high amounts of work. Ideal world, you would be training 60, 90, 120 minutes on your strength work as long as your nutrition is right to allow that. We don't have that time when we also need to train these other elements as well. This will not make you a good powerlifter, but this will give you the best absolute strength we can based on the limitations that we have. The final